Is crypto regulation a good thing or a bad thing? On the one hand, it's about consumer protection and building trust. On the other, some argue it stifles the very innovation that makes the space so exciting. Well, in the past few months, we've seen major global crypto exchanges making big moves to get licensed in Europe. This isn't just about a single country, it's about positioning themselves to operate under the EU's comprehensive regulatory framework. And leading the charge is Kraken. Kraken has secured a series of key licenses and registrations, solidifying its presence across Europe. We're talking about a markets in crypto assets, MiCA, license from the Central Bank of Ireland, which is a massive deal. This license isn't just for Ireland, it allows Kraken to passport its services and operate in all 30 member states of the European Economic Area. This means a single, unified set of rules for their European clients, which is a huge step toward mainstream adoption and institutional trust. But the story doesn't stop there. Kraken also holds a Markets in Financial Instruments Directive (MiFID) license, which allows them to offer regulated derivatives trading to experienced clients across the EU. This adds a layer of sophistication and regulatory compliance for those looking to engage in more advanced trading strategies. And let's not forget their Virtual Asset Service Provider (VASP) registrations. Kraken has already secured these in key markets like Spain and Italy, which shows a commitment to adhering to local regulations and serving those specific markets with compliant services. So, what does this all mean for the crypto market? It signals a maturing industry. The days of the Wild West are fading, and major players are demonstrating their commitment to security, transparency, and consumer protection. By embracing regulation, platforms like Kraken are not only protecting their users but also paving the way for wider institutional adoption. This could bring in a new wave of capital and legitimacy to the crypto space. It's a win-win. Consumers get peace of mind, and the market gains credibility. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.